So when people ask to be pH balanced, what they're saying is the skin has a certain pH that it likes to sit in between this number and this number. And when people are pH balanced, when you test the skin, that the pH of that skin falls in between these two numbers. pH is sort of a measurement between having an acidic skin or a basic skin. And then there's a sliding scale between being very acidic and very basic. And so the skin best functions if it's a certain pH on this level, because it has the least amount of creatures crawling on it, and also it has good defense mechanisms at that pH level. So when people say they want to be pH balanced, they're trying to get their skin into that sort of range, but basically it's, I think, impossible. I mean, unless you're going to be doing litmus tests on your skin all day long to see what your pH balance is, I imagine the pH changes all day long. So the idea of pH balancing I just described, but to actually do it in real life seems virtually impossible. The pH of your skin depends upon all your environmental sort of triggers. So the water that we get in our showers can adjust the pH of your skin. The soap bars you're using on your skin can adjust the pH of the skin. The creams you're putting on your skin, the amount of sunlight in the air, the amount of humidity in the air, the amount of different lights that hit your skin. Do you wear perfume that somehow could change the pH of your skin? So when people start discussing getting the perfect pH of the skin, I really think they're dumb, because the bottom line is it's like virtually impossible first to test it and then to keep the skin in that normal balance. Now, why are they saying do we need perfect pH? The reason is when the pHs go up or down on your skin, the skin becomes a more hospitable place for different creatures. We're talking about yeast, and then we get yeast infections, and then we're talking about bacteria, and then we're getting bacteria infections. So the pH on the skin, when it gets out of whack, can become a little more tolerable and livable for these different creatures, and so then that's when we get different types of rashes. So that's why people you need to maintain a pH balance of your skin, but it's really difficult to do that. One area that can help maintain pH balance of your skin in science is if you have dandruff, or if you get a red rash called seborrheic dermatitis between your eyebrows, nasolabial folds around your nose, in your beard area. And this usually means that a yeast is overgrowing on your skin, and it's using the different properties of skin. The pH on your skin, the amount of oil you produce affects the pH on the skin, and this particular creature loves oil, and then it overgrows. So in individuals that have dandruff, and like a dandruff-like rash on their face, using shampoos like Selsun Blue, Head & Shoulders over the counter, or even prescription shampoos can actually decrease the amount of critters on your skin. If you want to learn more about these topics, you can visit our website at cinedern.com and make an appointment with one of our providers, or you can call to make an appointment at 718-491-5800.